national leadership, their president, is looking at the leadership issue in Goa seriously. And ताजे खातीर एक discussion आमचे कडेन केलें.
Sir, any decision on leadership change because zala any
They
message has been
are
conveyed?
contemplating, they are looking at who will succeed Manohar Parrikar. And there is serious discussion on this subject.
Any suggestions by
See, the aspirations of the people of Goa vis-a-vis the current political situation. This is what I have expressed to the Honorable BJP National President. He has shown his willingness to ensure that the stability of the government. He has actually expressed his intention to ensure the stability of the present government. And that this relation that we had cobbled before first with Mr. Manohar Parrikar should continue. With coalition partners, that is the right respect.
Sir, any decision on portfolio changes because zala?
They discuss करपाचे आशिल्ले. Since the whole issue is being discussed, why to discuss the parts? And that is why that was kept.
Sir, will the allies be agreeing to the decision taken?
We will see, because there is no decision as yet. Only some names have been discussed.
बरी जाली. पहिले म्हणजे आमचो जो चीफ मिनिस्टर आसा ताका कंटिन्युएशन आसा आनी ही वील रूल 3 years बॅक. त्यानंतर जे पोर्टफोलियोज आसा ते डिस्ट्रिब्युशन तो करतलो. आनी तिसरो एक ताका रिक्वेस्ट केला, गिव credit to allies partners so that it will be good for MP elections. If they care allies partners, then definitely they will get a good margin of votes in MP elections. That is what I told them. And to care give them correct positions.